Hey guys, so this is the look that I did on my birthday. I can't wait to share with y'all my tutorial on this look. Okay, stay tuned. Hey guys, I am back. I know it's been at least 2 months since I've been gone, but a lot has happened. Well, one of the major reason why, well, first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lily, and I'm happy to be doing this tutorial. Excuse me. Ooh. Already? Anyway, today's my birthday and I've decided to do this tutorial because it's been a while. Like I said, the reason why it has been a while because for those of you who know me, I I recently lost one of my daughters. She passed away on Valentine's Day, so it's been a few weeks. So I was mourning my child, and well, now today's my birthday, and I decided that I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys today. If this is your first time again on my channel, don't forget to subscribe on the link below, and so that you can be first to see my next videos. As a matter of fact, my next video is going to be a video that I did with my daughter who passed, Ashley. I called her Maymom. I am going to have a storyline about her, but not right now. I'm not ready, but I am going to post our video that we took. We were doing a mukbang. Well, we're calling ourselves doing a mukbang, but it's gonna be a video. It's gonna be the video that I'm gonna post that video next, so you guys can see the dynamic that we had between my dear daughter and I. She was 20 years old. She was my second born. She was full of life. She was so sweet. Anyway, I will talk to you guys more about Ash very soon, but for now, catch your breath. Let the tutorial begin. Birthday tutorial on your way. So again, don't forget to subscribe on the link below. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So wow, this is not good. This is not good. I gotta get rid of this. Nah, this is not good. I barely have any eyebrows, but hey, let me clean them up a little bit. Yeah. Ouch, ouch. I usually take them all off, like towards the end, so I can just draw them in. I know. I don't know why we women we do that, but it just give us like a clean slate to. Okay. So as you can see, I've done like the edges, the corners or whatever. Oh, don't pay attention to that. Let me wipe this down a little bit. Yep. Now I'm going to do the inner brows. Usually I draw hair-like strokes. I'm going to use a smaller brush to kind of blend it in up here, so it won't be so sharp like it was. Just blend let the blending begin. Long story. The shower. My shower screams. I don't know. We're hearing it. I don't know why. The shower screams. I'm using it. Why does my nose always chooses to itch when I am knowing a makeup tutorial? Why? Why? Oh well, oh well, oh well, oh well, oh well. I'm gonna put some white liner in my eyelid. Let's see, I'm gonna do it off camera. And then put it back on. Now that I put the liner in, it kind of reminds me of a look I already did. I think I've done this look, but it wasn't completely like that though. It was a little different. But yeah, this looks like a look I've done before. It's okay. It's okay. How about some blush? Me like. How in the world do you forget the last ingredient? Watch this, watch this. Ooh, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Mm. Oh. Ah. You click that. You always miss.